During the holidays, gift cards feel easy, but let's be honest, they're forgettable. And if you want to give a gift that actually gets remembered and talked about, microgreens are the surprise win. Here's why. If you've ever gotten a gift card and felt like it wasn't enough, this is why people will actually remember the gift. And stick with me, there's a secret hidden emotional benefit to giving microgreens that most people miss, and it's the real reason they feel so different, especially during the holiday season. Hi, I'm Connor Hebel, and I help people give and grow microgreens that spark joy, boost health, and leave gift cards in the dust. So comment better gift below, and I'll share with you my complete comparison guide of microgreens versus gift cards, and why one gives you way more impact for the same price. And while you're watching, think of that person who deserves more than that last-minute gift card this year. Gift cards are safe. But let's be real, they're forgettable. They're convenient, but they don't mean anything. Most get spent, tossed, or forgotten, and no one remembers who gave it. When someone opens up a microgreen kit or sees fresh greens growing, they remember you. It's unique, thoughtful, and says, actually thought about you and your health. People will remember that. It's a whole experience when you grow your microgreens. When you start from seeds and you have fresh live produce that you grew right at home. A gift card is gone in 5 minutes. Microgreens last weeks. You get to watch them grow. Every day, it's a reminder of the gift and the giver. And once they start growing their microgreens, they're gonna keep growing them. And then it's not just a week, it's years, maybe even decades, that they've had that amazing experience. And that's how I got into microgreens. I was walking with my family down a vendor market, and all of a sudden we stopped at this really interesting booth that had all these interesting greens. And during the time I had health challenges, so I was on a very strict diet. And by getting a kit and growing my microgreens, I was able to really understand the benefits of growing microgreens right at home. And it was a whole experience I got to enjoy with my family. We went to the growing facility and really got to know more about how to grow microgreens. And from there, I was like, there are just some things that I loved the kit, and there were so many other things that I wanted to add, incorporate, and enhance. And so that's one of the reasons why I created Island Microgreens, so that you can have the best, highest quality microgreen growing experience possible. So if you've ever felt kind of meh handing over a gift card, that embarrassment or that awkwardness, hit the like button. You're not the only one ready to give something that actually matters. It's that emotional reason that microgreens hit harder than gift cards. And I'll tell you in just a second what that is. One thing that's really powerful is they're easy to give and easy to use. There's no account needed, no apps. You just get your kit, you open it up, water it, grow it. It feels super simple and exciting. In fact, I had one of my customers in the very beginning during COVID who during her birthday got 6 microgreen kits. Got one for herself and then the rest for her grandkids. And they all hopped on Zoom. And during that time, they spent like an hour just growing their microgreens together. It was this whole experience of growing their microgreens as a family. And that's something that doesn't just last there. That's a core memory that lasts a lifetime. Imagine those kids growing up and being able to talk about that time that they grew microgreens with their grandma. That's something that lasts forever. It's something that they do. It's not something that they get. And that interaction makes that gift even more memorable. You don't have to hand make a sweater or write a 5-page card. Microgreens strike that balance between effort and ease, between I care for your health and I want to give you something exciting. If you love the idea of giving something more meaningful, but still simple, make sure you hit that subscribe and ring the bell. I've got more gift ideas that tie this all together beautifully. And here's the part no one talks about. Microgreens make you feel good too. You're not just handing someone a gift card, you're giving them something alive, something that grows. That moment of surprise and curiosity, it's contagious and it feels amazing to give. I always love when I go to vendor markets, and especially during the holiday season, when people come up and they're like, oh my goodness, this is the best gift I could give my friends and family. It's something that's so unique. I know no one else is gonna have the same exact thing, so I'm not gonna have to worry about that awkward, but we had the same exact gift. And so there's no competition, and you get to give something that's so unique and so fun for everyone in your family. And since it's so amazing to give, I want to give you the gift of a Microgreen holiday special. This is live for the first 200 people who sign up. I'll link it below, easy to get to. Just click that link and you'll be able to be one of the first 200 people to get your Microgreen gifts for your friends and family. So now the question is, how do you wrap a Microgreen gift? Especially if it's a living thing or a kit that's meant to be grown later. Click the link below to grab that holiday gift box, and I'll send you my free eco wrapping guide so it looks as easy as it feels to give. So that wrapping challenge, we're solving that together right over here in this video next. So let's keep growing and I'll show you exactly how to wrap it right here. As always, stay awesome.